In front of me is HMD Barbie Phone, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, open menu and go into Recorder app. To start recording, click middle button. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. To discard it, select right one, and to end it and save it, left one. Then name your recording and choose OK. To find it, click on left button when your recorder is off. To play it, open it. To go back, click on the right button. And to delete it, click on the left one, choose delete all, and confirm your choice by hitting OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!